Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Apple Pay not working and add card to Apple Wallet. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is open wallet and click plus. In the usual case, when everything works, you can choose a debit or credit card, click and continue. Then point to your card and the iPhone will automatically fill everything in. Or press enter card details and enter it manually. But what should I do if after clicking on the plus card it is impossible to add it? It's very simple. Go to the settings, scroll down and select general. Scroll down and click language and region. On this page you need to select the region where you are located. If you have the wrong region, then the iPhone is trying to protect you from scammers in this way. Then we go back and click the date and time. Here we also specify your values, and after that we return to the wallet and easily add the card to the Apple Wallet. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.